As you can tell, today we are at the Americana, and thanks for joining me with another episode of Real Life with Trouble. I'm going to try to keep my voice moderately so that way I'm not intruding in everybody else's space, but I hope you guys can hear me. But here in Americana in Glendale, California, I've been here before in other episodes. I believe we did BJ's when we came here, brewery, and now we're here at the Macaroni Factory. So let's take a look at the menu and see what we're going to get. As you can see, it's already on page 7. It's quite a menu. So anyways, let me take a peek at what I'm gonna eat and I'll tell you guys. Love the water show here. If you get a chance to come by at night, I recommend it. Unfortunately, there's some construction over there, so it's not as attractive. But still worth coming by. And around the corner here, you can't see it, but you can get everything for your Apple needs. I'm gonna chime in real quick. I never do this. They bring me the bread. Most amazing bread in the world. So soft, so airy, crunchy. Reminds me of Disneyland. Watch out, you got your competition. So our food finally came. Mom's already digging in, of course. But I'm gonna give you guys a lowdown on what I got here. I got a Cuban sandwich. Inside you got a nice toasted bread. Got ham, slow roasted pork, either mozzarella or Swiss cheese, and pickles, of course, and mustard. Let's give it a shot and see what it tastes like. Oh, pretty good. Oh, thank you very much. Can I trouble you for malt vinegar and mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise and malt vinegar?
Yes.
Yeah, give me a couple more moments.
Yeah, take your time. Help here is amazing. I didn't buy something on my mustache. Help here is amazing. They're awesome. On top of everything. Now back to this Cuban sandwich. I can't call it a Cuban sandwich. No, because they're not using like the same bread. Yeah, I understand that, but don't put something called Cuban if it's not what it is. The one that I make on my episode, if you guys check out my history or library, check out my method of making a Cuban sandwich. Te lo juro por Dios, it's the best. But besides that, I'm gonna make an announcement here and now. I have not been drinking. I'm going over 2 months now, and no beer, no hard alcohol, no nothing. So I'm gonna give you guys a review on their cucumber lemonade. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is the second glass I already had since I got here, and it's refreshing. It's amazing. They're refillable. It's the best part of quit drinking, right? I want to give a quick shout out to all the people, man, that have decided to quit drinking and decided to make a life change. Trust me, it's for the better. I have done a lot of things in my life, cigarettes and other things I won't mention, so I stay out of jail. But I never had a problem like alcohol, so for me to have to just drop it and continue my life the way it is, it's a big step for a lot of us. So a lot of props to you guys out there, or ladies that are deciding to quit drinking. Keep it up, stay strong. Don't let the fight beat you down. I'm gonna conclude my session here. Came out real quick to get a sandwich. Had a great time with my mom. Say hi, Mom. She's been my partner in crime lately. You know, it's a family thing. You know, that's how we keep it. So until then, till the next time, Key, see you guys again. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below, and always lots of love, positivity, all to your face.